Hi guys, this is my team in going to the battle. At first I'll show you in my trial. As you can see, they need melee attack. So I choose this because this is my only melee attack at the moment. Hercules is good for me, and especially Hephaestus and Atalanta. You will make it auto. And again the stun. And the knockback. I really like Atalanta because of the silence and the slow, and she got the high damage for me. But for me, in my arena, this is my lineup. Okay guys, thank you for watching.